If you trade, you know the sound of pure pain. It's the moment you close a winning trade too early and then watch that ticker shoot up for another 50 points. It's the sound of greed whispering in your ear, forcing you to chase. And that chase, my friend, is exactly how you become a revenge trader. The trading world is saturated with basic psychology, but the brutal truth is that chasing profits is not a mindset problem. It is a mathematical flaw. 90% of traders lose money because they follow their gut, not their quantified edge. We are going to end that cycle right here. I want you to erase everything you think you know about RR and conviction, because what you need are 3 mechanical rules. These 3 rules quantify your emotions, turning your psychology from a weakness into a predictable 51% edge. Think back to the 2008 crash. The problem wasn't bad stocks. It was traders chasing the bottom. That chase always ends in the same place: a margin call and zero capital. The desire for maximum profit is a disease. It destroys your ability to hold your winner and forces you to over-leverage your loss. We are not here to get rich quick. We are here to get rich consistently. So, here is rule number 1 for turning off the profit-chasing part of your brain forever. Most gurus teach you to aim for 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward. That is psychological torture. You end up closing early because you are trained to believe that small wins are failures. The 1-to-1 quant rule. Your target R:R is a ceiling, not a dream. Set it to exactly 1-to-1. If you risk $100, your target profit is $100. Why? Because psychologically, reaching 1-to-1 is easy to hold. The moment you hit that target, your mind registers a win. Your fear of losing is replaced by a sense of control. This simple mental trigger stops the chasing. If the trade runs further, great, but your job is done. Your psychology is protected. Now, how do you manage the trade after you hit 1-to-1? That leads us directly to rule number 2. The reason you chase is because you stare at the screen. Your biggest enemy is the 5 minutes between entry and exit, the set and forget trigger. The moment you open a position, your only job is to exit the platform. Close the browser, close the app, let the market mechanics handle your trade. You are trading a quantified edge, not a lottery ticket. Your presence changes nothing but your ability to interfere. Now, you might be asking, what if the trade runs up and I miss the bigger profit? This leads us to the most powerful rule of all. We chase profits because we try to compensate for the last loss. This is the definition of revenge trading and the fastest way to blow up an account. The account reset rule. After every single trade, win or loss, you must physically step away from the keyboard for 10 full minutes. This break is not for coffee. It is to let your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, drop back to baseline. You are resetting your fight or flight response. The market will be there in 10 minutes. But your emotional capital will be safe. You cannot revenge trade if you physically cannot reach your desk. This simple rule completely broke the cycle of chasing losses with over-leveraged entries. It forces you back into quant mode. Remember, success in this saturated market is not about finding a secret indicator. It's about building a predictable 51% machine. Rule 1. 1-to-1, R-to-R ceiling. Take the mental win and protect your profits. Rule 2. Set and forget trigger. Close the platform after entry. Your job is done. Rule 3. The 10-minute account reset. Break the cycle of revenge trading. These rules are just the foundation. The real money is made when you understand how fear during a market collapse changes everything. If you want to know how the 2008 financial crash completely wiped out millions of traders, not because of the economy, but because of this exact 3 psychological flaws, then you need to subscribe. I will show you exactly how to trade the next collapse using the crash psychology that the big guys use. Don't chase profits. Chase your edge. I'll see you in the next video.